What's going on, guys? Car Review Guys here. My name is AJ and we are back with the 2023 Lexus LC500. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 things that we love and 5 things to improve. If you guys want the full review, the link will be down below. That is not this video. We're going to try to keep this short and sweet, always trying to keep these under 10 minutes. So let's dive right into it. We're going to start with the 5 things to improve. We'll do the cinematic and then the 5 things to love. Let's roll. Starting off here in the interior, number 1 on things to improve. Now, it's nice it has these features. It's amazing. It has heated and cooled / ventilated seats. The improvement comes in right here. You'll see the buttons. You've got everything as far as temperature goes with your dual zone climate and everything, but in order to use your cooled / ventilated or heated seat, you have to use the old trackpad system. There's no buttons for it. So you have to hit menu. You'll see it come up here. You'll scroll over all the way to the right where it says climate. You'll select it. You scroll over to the left, go up to seat. Hopefully you guys can see pretty good there. Select it, and then you scroll over and change whether you want heated or cooled seat or whatever you would like. So it just takes a while. That's one thing. If we had some, buttons somewhere, just little ones, even if it was on the side of the seat, I think that would be really, really nice. Number 2 on this list has to do with the screen. While it's super crystal clear and nice, it's not a touchscreen. You have to use the old pad system. Now, in a lot of newer Lexuses, even if it has this, it also is able to be used via touchscreen, so you can use it either or, which I'm a huge fan of that because some people love this. But in times of trying to do it quickly, it's nice to be able to just go up here and just touch the screen, and it's not. There's actually like glass in front of it. You probably can't even see, but yeah, there's literally a glass like all the way in front. You can kind of see by the clock, maybe over there a little bit, but yeah. So that'd be nice just to add a little shortcut to be able to use it as a touchscreen. Number 3 on this list has to do with the camera. So if we throw it into reverse, you can see we've got the camera there, which is good in the back, but there's no 360 camera. And on any sports car, it is nice. Now, this one is higher up in the front than probably your average sports car, which is a great thing as far as like functionality. But still, it's still lower than the average car. And to be able to see your front is huge. So that way you don't mess up your car. So it'd be a very simple add. And I think many people would find it very useful. Number 4 on this list is optional all-wheel drive. The rear wheel is actually surprisingly really good in this vehicle. Like, it actually doesn't slip a lot, but anytime if you're gonna drive this like up north where it snows, or like, I don't know, even Seattle where it rains like all the time, those weather conditions, no matter how good this is never going to be as good as all-wheel drive. And I think there's enough people out there that would buy the all-wheel drive, including myself. I love all-wheel drive, getting true 0 to 60 times and whatnot. I think it's great. So I would love to see an optional all-wheel drive in this thing. It would make it even that much better because it's already really good. Number 5 on the list has to do with the interior. The interior, I could not come up with anything as far as improvements other than color. You cannot get a gray or white interior. Not an option on the LC500. There are a few others. You can get red, and I believe it's like a tannish color, or black. So there's 3 options technically, and it looks really good. But anytime you have that contrast with the lighter colors, and it's functional because here in Arizona, lighter colors stay cooler naturally, I think there'd be enough people that would, buy it, that it would justify basically allowing another option. So gray or white, something like that, real simple, not a big deal. Still love the interior of this thing, but I do wish it had that option per se. All right, let's roll the cinematic and then let's jump into the 5 things to love about this LC500. 5 things to love has to be the exterior design. I love the exterior of this. I know many other people do as well, just from driving it this week, because I get stopped all the time asking, number one, what is it? Because not everyone knows. I mean, it's not like your everyday Lexus, right? So obviously they can see the symbol, but they don't really know like truly what it is. And when I tell them it's a Lexus LC500, they absolutely love it. So just walking around, I mean, you got the LED headlamps, you've got these slick 21-inch wheels, which are optional on this. Keyless entry and the little door handles. I mean, just something a little extra. They pop out basically, and they even have the Lexus symbol on there. I mean, just the attention to detail. I'm obviously forgetting the carbon fiber roof. Hopefully you can see it there. It just, everything about it. Active Aero wing. You have rear steering on this, believe it or not. That is an optional package as well. You have dual exhaust in the back. The tail lights are really cool. Like, love the exterior design. While we're in the rear, number 2 on this has to be the V8, baby, the exhaust note. I mean, hopefully you can hear it just at idle here. This is stock exhaust, obviously being a press car, but just listen. We got to get some revs as well. I mean, we just have to do it. We just got to do it for you guys. Let's see. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. You guys get the point. Number 3 on this list is the ride quality. It still is very Lexus, and anyone who's driven, I don't know, at least a 2020 or newer Lexus, the ride quality is really good. And though this is a sports car, probably the most comfortable suspension that you're ever gonna find on a sports car, at least that I've driven to date. So anything you see on my channel, this is the most comfortable sports car I've driven in this segment. So if that's something you're looking for, definitely this should be at the top of your list. Number 4 is the luxury items, and that has to do with a little bit of the technology as well. That's right here on the steering wheel. You'll see we've got adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. It is the only vehicle that I know of that I've driven in the sports car / exotic segment that has that. I don't know of any others. If you guys know of any others, comment below, because I can always learn something new. Let me know, but that is the only vehicle I know of in this segment to have it, and I absolutely love that it has it. Number 5, the final item to love about this vehicle, especially if you're the one that's going to buy it or you already own it, it's value. The way that it holds value compared to most luxury brands or sports cars, it holds value really well. And what I mean by that is if you go look at even a 2018 LC500 with, I don't know, 15,000 miles, they're still $85,000, $90,000, which is really, really good. I mean, you can look at other brands, you can go do your own research. I'm not here to do all that to name it on here. It holds value really well. I absolutely love that, and that's why I actually may consider one of these for myself. That's going to wrap up the LC500. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything else you guys want to know, just comment down below. I do my best to figure it out if I don't already know it. I'm always uploading shorts almost every single day for tips, tricks, little things on these cars. Be sure to subscribe so you guys do not miss the content. And just like that, this video is over. Peace.